Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the best NVIDIA settings to change your Warzone, Rebirth, whatever, like change the way it looks, make it so much brighter and so much easier to see enemies and all that good stuff. Now let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you want to go ahead and click on Alt and Z on your keyboard. Go ahead and just click on it at the same time, and then you're going to go over to Game Filter. Now from game filter, you're going to choose any one of these numbers. Just make sure you don't choose off, obviously. And then you're going to add these four filters. So you're going to click on add filter and you're going to go ahead and add these four filters. Now, once you go ahead and add those four filters, you're going to first, let's go ahead and change the filter. So click underneath sharpness, and this is what you're going to set the sharpness, to intensity to 0, ignore film grain to 100. Go ahead and go to color now. For color, you're going to change tint color to 27, tint intensity 0, temperature 0, vibrance 100. Let's go to details. From details, we're going to change sharpen to 31, clarity to 70, HDR toning to 100, and bloom to 0. And finally, let's go to brightness and contrast. Exposure -8, contrast 15, highlights -20, shadows 10, gamma 0. Now, once you go ahead and do that, you can now head into a game and you can go ahead and see how it looks. Uh, we can even like compare, the original. So we can go ahead and click. So now this is what it looks off. Look how dark it is. And then when you turn it up, now look how much more brighter it is. I could go into a game as well and show you, but it does take a little while to load. So it's up to you. You can check to see it for yourself in the game. But these are basically the best NVIDIA settings for, as of 2024 for your re. This is honestly for any game. This goes for Fortnite as well. And yeah. Anyways, yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.